I love these poems, and I've read many of them many times. Xewqat tal-Passa, publisher Horizons Malta. This is a bilingual collection of 60 poems written in English and translated into Maltese. The central theme of these poems is migration. John writes from his own experiences as a migrant in Canada. He speaks about homesickness, alienation, and racism, which are feelings that migrants have when they live away from their country. I love these poems, and I've read many of them many times, because they touched me. I truly understand what John wants to say when he speaks about migrant desires.
Dan il-video ġi miġġub lilek mill-Kunsill Nazzjonali tal-Ktieb. Skopri xi jħobbu jaqraw l-illustraturi, awturi, tradutturi u pubblikaturi Maltin. Hemm ħafna x'tiskopri hemm barra.